Hi there, this is Julian Powell from Dudley Performing Arts, and this is your drum video week 4. Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at putting some unison parts together. That is when we're all playing together, and we're also going to be looking at layering, when we have the different instruments playing different rhythms at the same time. So we have one layer of music and then followed by another layer of music on top of it. I will play a pattern, you will repeat it back to me. On the repeated ones I'll be playing on the small drum there. Here we go. Let's start again. Go. That's it again. Your turn, go. Now much bigger ones. Very good. So we've got some very long patterns there, putting all of those together. Okay, so we're going to use that when we put those four lines together. We're going to use that as our unison. Okay, so that's our unison. Let's play it all together. I count it in, we all play together. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. So now let's get to the layering. Okay, so for the layering we're going to have two instruments. You notice here we have the tom, yeah, and we also have the small drum. For that, at home, if you haven't got those instruments, you can substitute them with boxes. Okay, so for the tom, you could use a big box, and for the small drum, you could use a small box. And with this section, you could actually get somebody else to help you out with that. You can get somebody else playing. Maybe you've got a brother or sister, or maybe a parent that wants to join in. So get them to grab one of the instruments and they can join in with this section. You take one part, they take another. The tom is going to play slow beat, double beat, double beat. And it's going to keep playing that. So let's try that just as tom playing that 4 times in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Next, we have the tom, and that's going to play double beat 1, 2, 3, and that's going to play that 4 times in a row. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, go. And again. And again. And again. Okay, so try it once with the small drum. And then try it once with the tom. So now we're going to play that together. Okay, so once I count it in, we're going to be playing at the same time. So if you've got somebody playing along with you, once I count in, you both play at the same time, but you play your individual parts. You'll hear me playing both parts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So we've layered those parts there. We've had that 4 times in a row. Okay. Now the next challenge is we're going to have one section of the layering. So layering is when you're doing those parts 4 times in a row, and then one section of the unison. Okay, that's when we're doing those 4 lines in a row. There you go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So now we've put that together. Okay, if you're having trouble with that, take it again, rewind the video back, try it again, make sure you've got that right there, okay, before you carry on. All right, so let's try that again, but this time we're going to do it 2 times through. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. So you see there what we've done, we've been able to work those unison patterns, which are when we're playing the same thing at the same time, all uniform, yeah, unison. Okay, and then we had layering where we had 2 different patterns happening at the same time, one layered on top of the other. Hope you had a good time in that lesson there. If you're having any trouble with anything in that lesson, please rewind the video back. You have a week between these videos. You've got plenty of time to practice the things that we've gone through and make sure that you've got them before we move on. My name's Julian Powell for Adderley Performing Arts. Hope to see you next time.